Hey guys, Moon here, and I bet some of you are like, I haven't been recording in ages, and also some of you are probably wondering, why did you barely talk last video? Well, for the whole not recording in ages part, a couple reasons. For one, school is super stressful and just started like last week. Well, second semester started last week. And also the fact that if you can't hear it from my voice, also being the reason why I hardly spoke last video, I'm sick. And when I'm sick, I feel like I barely want to do anything. So, yeah, there are your reasons. I'm sick and I barely want to do anything because of it. I'm also stressed because of school. Trust me, those of you around my age, in high school, maybe middle school, I don't know, or definitely in college, you know what it's like to be stressed by school. And those of you who have work also know what it's like to be stressed. Or those of you in other situations. I'm not sure which one's been other. And also know, stress can wear you out. Well, go figure, I'm often constantly tired, so that doesn't help. Come on! So yeah, if you couldn't hear it from my voice, you know, I'm sick. And being sick is not fun. You were very worn out, you feel like barely doing anything, you just want to lay in bed, watch TV, do hardly anything. Which is what I've been doing the last couple days. I lay in bed, I turn on my TV, and I just do nothing for the majority of the day. It's just, being sick is terrible. And it's the winter, so I expected to get sick. But just like 2 weeks into the second semester, and yay! I feel terrible. Oh, wonderful! It's just like, I want to do things, but I can't. Well, physically I probably could, but I'm just like, I'm sick, I'm tired, I'm just gonna lay here, do nothing. So I only got 2 of those things, a teacup, and what was the last one? A duck. So yeah, for the past 13 days, I've been like, I've got school, I've got me being tired, and now I'm sick. Sure, it's not the worst sickness I've ever had. I've definitely been a lot worse. But my throat tends to be bothering me. I've got my nose bothering me. Happens every winter. Also every spring because of allergies. Thank you, flowers. You're beautiful. And some of you can help in being medicine. But you also like me and many other people have allergies and feel terrible. So yeah, I barely felt like talking in my last video. And I'm also trying to not talk so, how to put it? I'm not sure how to put it, but I'm not talking as vigorously and energetically as I do usually. Well, in a lot of my videos anyway. Because being sick, not fun. Neither is a lot of school activities. When I bought set up, I made a perfect W, pretty much. Trust me, I like most of my teachers. Even though I have math first thing in the morning, my teacher makes up for that. I also have design crafts, which will eventually be pretty fun. And I've got biology, which I find pretty interesting. But the swimming class, I do not like at all. I don't even know when to start it. Alright. But yes, this one class, which is my second period right before lunch, is civics literacy. And you know what makes it worse? It's required. If I want to graduate or even become a junior, I've got to take it. There's no way out. I mean, math is also required, and even then my math teacher makes up for that. But civics, I never wanted to take that, so why do I have to? It's like, who says civics is required? If I had the choice, I wouldn't take it. Because I never wanted to. It sucks. As for my civics teacher, I have no idea what to think about him. I mean, it's not the worst teacher that could exist, but I do not know how to feel about him. It's like, yeah, sure, hi. Today we're learning something I never wanted to take. It's like, why do I have to take this? I'm a 16-year-old, almost 17-year-old girl who wants to take classes that she enjoys, or at least the required classes that she can understand. Because, yeah, I understand why we gotta take math. Generally. But it's like, who says we gotta take civics? The state? Probably. But I just don't get it. And it's just, why? Biology is also required, but I can somewhat understand why. Even then, it's like one class I do not want of the whole year. Last semester, my class is generally pretty good. But this semester, three classes that are required, two of which I understand, one of which I'm like, why? And one class that I chose that I was actually interested in, I just don't get it. And I've started rambling. And this was first about me being sick, and the fact of why I haven't been recording all that much. Now I'm rambling about school. And if anyone ever wanted to know, I don't script any of my videos. Any. Because scripting, unless it's about a very important topic that you need to remember things for, I don't do no scripting. This YouTube channel was my dream. Well, one of them. And generally for fun. Why would you script things if you're just trying to have fun? Who does that? Not me. Also, a lot of the time I can't read my own handwriting. And if I wrote it on a Google Doc, I just need to have my computer next to me while I speak. That would mean me looking up to the side a lot to be like, oh, this is what I'm supposed to say. And I'm not gonna do that. So, yeah, no scripting for me over here. It's something more fun doing improv and being like, I'm gonna say this just because it's something I want to say and it works in the video I'm making. I have teapots today. Or tea cups, but you know. Alright. We got a duck. And that's one of the few things in here that doesn't break. We got a teacup. Jeez, how do I pick up so much money to afford all these things? Got a vase, which I personally don't understand what it. Some people call them a vase. Where do you get vase? It's an A, it's vase. But I'm not one to judge, I'm just saying it because I don't get it. Alright, one more play session done before this little kitty gets tired. Trust me, unless these cats are either kittens or just generally very energetic. How do they pull this energy other than the game design? Trust me, I wouldn't understand. I have a kitten. Well, it's not my kitten. It's my family's kitten. But he's one little ball of energy. Alright. Yeah. Hello. Sorry. Based on the markings, I kind of get the feeling that this is a Burmese or Burmese mix, but could totally be wrong. Trust me, I know a lot about cats, but I don't know everything. Yeah, but I'm gonna end it off here, guys. So if you want to see more, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time.